Andaz Tokyo Hills. Come on in. Alright, so this is the entranceway to our room. You can see right here there's a little stool with a shoehorn to put on your shoes. And then you come on in here. You can see we have a really large bathroom, rainfall shower head, with also a soaking tub and a soft toiletries.
And art.
Oh yeah, modern art too.
Okay.
For the soap, we have some nice bar soap, and then also some really great Aesop orange lotion.
Our favorite scent too.
You got a nice Dyson hair dryer. Then coming over here, you've got a motion activated bidet.
Never seen that before.
We'll be playing around with that later. Alright. Over here, you've got a makeup mirror, and then an amenity kit. Pretty much your standard amenities: toothbrush, razor, shower cap, hairbrush, stuff like that. They also have a list of things you can and cannot take from the hotel, or else you will be charged. They also give you some bath salts to use in your soaking tub. One thing that I like, they give you a laundry hamper. Over here, 2 bathrobes, and then they also give us some slippers, ironing board. Coming over here, you got your standard hotel safe. One thing that's nice about the Andaz hotels is that they give you like free non-alcoholic drinks. So here's some coffee. You have Nespressos. So again, the alcohol is paid, but the non-alcoholic drinks over here you can take for free. And this is kind of like an early honeymoon trip for us. So they gave us a nice treat. Some chocolate lollipops, some wine, and a nice note.
Okay.
You can see a lot of the room is kind of inspired by origami. It's I guess running theme throughout the hotel, where a lot of the common spaces are kind of paperish. Yep. And then they give us 2 yakutas. And something that's interesting is all the light switches are kind of like this analog style throughout the entire room. Okay, so we booked this room for 3 nights for 35,000 worth of Hyatt points. Back when I booked it, it was a Cat 7, but since then it's been moved up to a Cat 8, so a pretty big price increase. If we were to book the same thing now, it would be 45,000 per night instead of 35,000 per night. And then when I booked the room, it cost for the 3 nights about $3,800. So yeah, pretty good deal.
Okay, so while Thomas goes and does spa stuff, I got the tub to myself, face mask and my sparkling water. And my iPad.
And there is the Eiffel Tower. All right, so we're here in Tokyo. There's the Eiffel Tower. And then in the distance over there, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge.
This way.
My daughter is finishing college, so she's finishing college. So this is her spring break. So she came, which is nice. So we wanted to get her to come.